Yo, what is up, guys? It is Carolina Card Collector back again with another video. And customer service, Panini America. Let's see what they sent me. So apparently, I contacted them. They didn't have any more Curry autos. So like, we'll give you half value of what it was worth. Wasn't too happy about that, but it's like whatever, you know. What are you gonna say? No, I want the whole value, but whatever they send isn't good, then I'm gonna complain. I mean, this is a good box for putting cards in, though. Not gonna lie, I don't even know what's in here, but I have to tear the box, though? That's garbage. This is a good box for putting cards in or something. Alright. All that packaging for this. Sounds like it's in a mag. So, about to find out what they sent. It's one card. It's Cam Newton. Oh my goodness. Oh. Boys. 2 of 5. Okay, I'm not mad at all. This is nice. It's from 13 Spectra. Holy crap. That is super nice. The card's dinged a little bit though. I'm not gonna lie. It's not a perfect card. There's like a couple of dings. Top left corners. Got a ding in there. You can see right there, there's little dings. I mean, it's a nice card, but it is damaged. Slightly. But I honestly don't want to fiddle with Panini, so I'm probably just going to keep this. Because this is super nice. There's another ding right there underneath the patch. Which is whatever. And then there's some dings right in there. You can see them right there. Unless that's part of the card. Which, you know what? It may be the card. Or maybe the design of the card. Actually, I think it is part of the design of the card. So, never mind. Yeah, it is the design of the card. So, my bad, Panini. Everything's good now. The top left corner is a little tiny ding, but that's it. The back looks good. Nothing really there to complain about. So, I don't know what to say. Really nice. Maybe we'll use this bubble mailer too, so it's not bad either. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Got a big box now. If you could, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm not too mad now, as this is my replacement for the Curry auto. That was something on the mag. 2 out of 5. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could please leave a like, comment, subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.